Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. Please, if you are just joining for the first time, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much and God bless you. I want to show you the latest update about Tron and the money COTPS is moving to people's wallet. I want to show you the latest update. Please stay tuned. But before I start, I would like to show you something that has been going on online, that people are trying to send mails to people telling them to do so and so. So I would like to show you now before I continue with the Transcan check. So let's go to the store so that you see what is going on right now. Then after that, we'll come back to check how many people COTP has sent money to, and when they sent money to the last time they sent money to some address. So let's go to the page that I want to show you something right now. All right, as you can see, this is a mail sent to someone. These people are claiming to be COTPS. As you can see what they wrote: hello Neto, we wish to notify you that your COTP OTC account has been traced with an available balance of $7,465. Kindly sign up with the affiliate website and activate your account to enable the transfer of your fund from the initial domain to your account. Thanks. What I want to say right now, please, if you are my subscriber, if you are my fan, if you are watching my video and you got this kind of mail, please disregard it. The people who are sending this particular email forgot that COTP, that would not use email address to sign up on COTPS. Then how come did they got the mail they are sending to people? I don't understand, because I could remember when I signed up to my own account, I did not use any email address. It is just mobile number and password. I did not sign up with any email address. How come they are sending mails to people telling them to sign up to claim their balance, their money? So if you see this kind of mail, please know that it is not real. This is not from the real COTPS. This is the people trying to take more money from COTPS investors. So right now, let's go back to the page where we will see how much they sent last, and the how much they sent last, and the time and date they sent money, if they are still working. So let's go to the page right now. Let me refresh it. Okay, as you can see, this is Data Explorer. So if you come to this place, okay, this is the last transaction. This is the last transaction. The date is 6/19/2022, June 19, 2022, and the time is now. They are still working. They are still working. As you can see, they are still working. The last money they sent is 1,816 USDT. This is second to last, 36 USDT. So COTPS is still working. As you can see, this one is 104 USDT. So this one is 49, and it is still today. So they are still moving funds to customers' account. As you can see that this one is 2,097 USDT. So as you can see, COTPS is still working. They are still moving funds. All these ones is being moved today. All these ones. As you can see the date. If you look at the date, You check today's date and see. Just look at the date today. The date is today, so they are still doing something. They are still working on the platform. So look at this one, 4,811 USDT. So they are still moving money. So as you can see, the work is still going on. So I pray that very soon they will launch the website back. So as you can see, they are still working. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please do me a favor, appreciate my effort by subscribing to this channel, and God bless you. Have a lovely night. Bye.